Hi, I'm your host Aqeel in Opportunities with Aqeel. Welcome back to the Opportunity with Aqeel. Today we are driving in an exciting topic, becoming a pharmacist in Sweden. If you are considering work abroad or just curious about opportunities in one of the most beautiful countries in Europe, this video is for you. Let's get started. Sweden. Sweden isn't just known for its stunning landscape and high quality of life. It is also a great destination for the pharmacist with opportunities, salaries, and welcoming environment. It's a top choice if you are looking for advance your career in a pharmacy. But how do you get there? Let's break down it. So here are the three methodologies to enter into the Sweden as a pharmacist. There are main three pathways becoming a licensed pharmacist in Sweden, depending on where you obtain your first degree. Let's go through them. So first of all, the education in Sweden. If you get your Form D or pharmacy degree from Sweden, so if you are completed your pharmacy education in Sweden, you are already on the right track. You are need to apply for a license through the Swedish National Board of Health and Welfare. The process include providing your degree and efficiency in Sweden. So be sure to start the preparing for the language test early on. Second is the education within the EUA, European uh, agencies, so on. Next up for your studies pharmacy in another EU or EEA country, there is a good opposition where you need to get the qualification recognized by the Swedish authorities. This generally involves submitting your transcripts, proof of language proficiency, and something taking additional exams or completing a short adoption period. Third is that if you get your degree from non-EUA areas like Pakistan, India, or Nepal, or other than Australia, America, if you need to go through the more detailed process, here are your third option. One is the additional training. You can complete a 1 year adoption program in Sweden. This will help to familiarize you with Swedish pharmacy practices and makes you eligible for the licensing exam. Second is the direct exam route. If you are prefer, you can get exam for license directly. It includes providing your degree, equivalency, demonstrating Swedish language proficiency, and passing both theoretical and practical exams. Swedish language proficiency is crucial for all pathways. You will need to show the certificate at least level C or 3. Start learning Swedish as early as possible to avoid the delay in the licensing process. So for those options for the exam route, there is a brief overview. If you go for the direct examination, first of all, you have to go through your educational assessments, submit your pharmacy degree and transcripts for the evaluation. Second is the Swedish language, prove your proficiency in the Swedish with recognized certificates. Third is the exam. You will need to pass both theoretical and practical exams, which are conducted in the Swedish. And fourth is the clinical trainings. Complete your 6 month unpaid internship to gain hands-on experience. So based on what we are discussed, I have recommended the adoption program if you are not fluent in Swedish yet, or if you want to smoother transitions. It's less stressful than the exams route and provide a comprehensive training. For more detailed information, check the link in the description below. If you have any question or need prioritized advice, feel free to reach out. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the icon bell to stay updated with more valuable content on pharmacy career and education. Thank you very much. I am your host Aqeel.